Diplomatic Correspondence Association of Naija (DICAN), where they work together with Federal Ministry of Foreign Affairs, don ready to tackle global security wahala and fake news wey dey fly up and down. Na the chairman of DICAN, Idehai Frederick, talk this one for Abuja during their first international conference. He tok say dem organize the conference because e dey important make tori pipo sabi how to report correctly and responsibly. E come add say under im leadership, dem go continue to work make quality of life for Naija better and also boost international partnership plus investment.
Your Excellencies, let me assure you that under my leadership as the chairman of DICAN and a licensed chartered project manager by the Institute of Project Managers of Nigeria, CIPMN, a certified member of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ, and a Nigerian Institute of Public Relations, NIPR, the association will not relent in its efforts to continually organize programs that will complement efforts in improving the quality and standards of living in Nigeria, Africa, and the world, as well as boosting the nation's partnership and investment drives through responsible image-enhancing diplomatic reportage. Again, we call for your assistance in bringing in relevant stakeholders from the diplomatic business community, government, and private sector to enhance the quality of the two-day October DICAN conference and exhibition.
As dem dey talk on the theme of the conference, wey be Nigerian 4D foreign policy strategy in an era of global insecurity, strategic misconception, and information, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, wey im special assistant on media and strategy, Al-Kasim Abdul Kadir represent, talk say just only to dey respond to media matters no dey enough again, say fake news and geopolitical propaganda don dey try shape how people dey see the world.
Our diplomats are frontline actors in countering misperceptions with truth, building alliances, protecting Nigeria's image and interests abroad. 2, intelligence. Foreign policy must now be data-driven and security-aware. We are deepening coordination between the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and intelligence agencies to anticipate threats, assess partners, and engage with foresight. 3, the media. The traditional and digital media shapes perception before policy is understood. That is why Nigeria has adopted a proactive public diplomacy approach, engaging international media platforms and investing in narrative sovereignty. We must move from reactive communication to strategic communication, projecting not only our policies, but also our values, vision, and voice. Call for international collaboration. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and your excellencies, the challenge we face cannot be tackled in isolation. Nigeria calls for greater international cooperation in tackling disinformation campaigns.
As Chief of Defence Staff no fit come, Rear Admiral I.M. Haruna, wey represent am, tok say Naija Armed Forces dey ready to join hand with tori pipo to fight the fake news, especially for conflict reporting, particularly for insurgency matter and cross-border crime wey dey disturb the country.
We appreciate your crucial role in shaping public discourse and promoting understanding on matters of national security and diplomacy. Your dedication to accurate and responsible reporting is invaluable in fostering a well-informed citizenry and supporting our collective efforts to ensure peace and stability in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to fruitful engagement while exploring ways to strengthen our collective efforts in promoting national interest and global security.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.